Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Today we are going to continue our story about Leaflet package and R programming language, and I'm going to show you how to add a legend to your map. And for that purpose I'm going to use this color palette we have created in previous episode and this list of names for Serbian regions. So on top of this code I'm going to add one more function. Add legend and don't forget pipe operator, make some space in here. First argument that we are going to provide its actual position for our legend, and we have 4 different values for that: top right, bottom left, and top left. And for this purpose I'm going to use top right. Second argument, it's going to be colors, and I'm going to use colors list. Then labels, I'm going to use a list of names of Serbian regions. Then title, and opacity set to 1. Okay, save it, run it, give it some time. Alright, let's refresh this, and voila. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya.